Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Nice to meet you guys again, okay? Number 9 is about, look at the questioning wording, okay? Factor, limiting factor, okay? About at the point x it get flattened, okay? So first of all, which one must be wrong? Can't be the limiting factor. Light intensity, it is increasing, right? Keep on increasing, okay? How can it be the limiting factor? So one is not connected. And then about what is the question about? Oh, photosynthesis. So roughly you just remember the equation, right? Okay. Remember water add with carbon dioxide becomes carbohydrate, and then releasing oxygen. So the input thing, and then it ignites energy. Okay. So the possible limiting factor is this three thing, right? Water, carbon dioxide, or light. Okay. So which one must be wrong? Nutrient, right? They don't need nutrient in the reaction, right? In the long run, for the plants grow, they need nutrient, but not for photosynthesis. So just do, oh, carbon dioxide concentration. Oh, yeah, here. How about temperature? Oh, it's at optimal temperature, right? They check the temperature is optimal already. So obviously by this analysis, okay, B, the carbon dioxide concentration should be the limiting factor causing this plateau, okay? You got it? Sure, you got it. Okay, I just share my thoughts. Okay, you got it too. Okay, because you are awesome. Okay, see you for question 10. Bye.